Take your time, man.
I don't know why it's so funny.
Take your time, man. Take your time.
I don't know what I'm laughing. I'm laughing about what you just said. What's up, everybody? Yeah, I got you. You probably about to hit that pause and like refresh and like exit out. I don't know what I just said, but anyway, today we got another video going on, and today, but before I get to that, I won't keep it hot with y'all. All right. I'm not really good at baking. I'm not really good at making desserts, so I'm trying something different. So you gotta bear with me. So if I make mistakes or you see stuff that could be better, just let me know. Leave in the comments or tweet me or something like that. But today, we're about to make a cream cheese cookie. Wait, a cream cheese cookie. Whatever, same thing. So basically, all it really is this flour, sugar, Oreos, my big homie Philadelphia cream cheese, and a stick of butter. So, I know y'all hungry. Not really, I'm not really hungry, but you know, I want something sweet. So let's get right to it, y'all. Alright, y'all, so what we about to get into right now is we gotta we about to break up everything apart. And what you want to do is you want the butter and the cream cheese to sit out at room temperature. Okay. So what I'm just about to do is just break that junk in, mix it in. That could be beat. But let me go ahead and do that, and I'll get right back to y'all. So we just got done mixing everything in. So now we gotta add some of the dry ingredients like sugar and flour. And before I forget, if you want the full recipe, just go on my website. Next thing you know, toss that bad boy in there. And once again, you wanna go ahead and mix it in. That rhyme. Oh, it's not gonna be a rapper, boy. Do this, and we'll be right back. Alright, welcome back, y'all. Basically what I had to do was, I'm a dummy, like I said, I'm not good at baking, bro, so like, bear with me, cuz. And so, I had to switch from this to that, and I had to use a blender, and like, blend it all and get it nice and well. And so, another thing too is, I also forgot, which you probably gonna see in the recipe calls for 4 ounces cream cheese. Didn't feel like splitting it because I was lazy, so I just put the whole thing in, so I had to add another stick of butter to even it out. So basically, this will, I can't really take it out, but this is what it looked like all blended up. And so you probably ask yourself like, dang, what's up with these cookies right here? Well, basically, what I just said in the beginning, it's a cookie and cream cheese cookie. Mouthful, right? So basically, what I'm about to do is about to crush up these cookies like that. Dang, I put the hole in it, cuz. That's kind of fun though. But basically, what I'm about to do is I'm about to crush up these cookies. And so let me go ahead and do that and get right back to it, y'all. Anyway, what I'm about to do is I already got done crushing the cookies, so now I'm about to mix it in with the cream cheese mixer. So just get all that in, cuz, get all that in. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna just fold everything in. Let me break some apart. What you're about to do is, once you get everything all mixed in the way you want it, just wrap it up and just chill it for about 30 minutes or so. So let me go ahead and do this, and we'll be right back. All right. What's up, y'all? We back at it again. Got done with the chilling. I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. I'm gonna keep it hot. Alright, I said chilling. I said I'm gonna keep it hot with y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna be for real. I kind of messed up. I didn't set the timer on my phone, so I kind of guesstimated. And you know, I don't know if it was that good old 30 minutes, so bear with me. So I'm just praying and hoping it was. So if it was, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get a little scooper right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and get a good scoop. You're gonna get a good scoop, put it in your hands, roll that junk up. Yeah, I can tell that junk was in there for 30 minutes. It was cool, it's cool. place it down and flatten it out a little bit. Like that. So we're gonna do that. So let me go ahead and handle this and I'll be right back with y'all, homies. Haters gonna say that was fake. Alright, welcome back, y'all. And we just got done pulling the cookies out the oven. And alright, I'm gonna keep it hot with y'all, I'm gonna keep it 100. This is my first time ever making it, and to be honest, I'm really surprised how it looked kind of ugly, to be honest, but I tasted one because I wasn't really all that sure, but it was actually really good. If y'all don't believe me, like I said, if you don't see that Dawn face, you know it's not good. So let me pull a piece off of that. Oh. That's good. That's really good, man. Yeah, this thing is breaking apart. This thing is really good, to be honest. I'm not just saying that to like for y'all make it or whatever. One thing I gotta know, with me, I'm always gonna keep it honest, be hot with it. If it's nasty, I'll tell you it's nasty. If it could be better, it could be better. If it's good, it's gonna be good. You don't have to worry about like, he just saying that before we can watch it. If we make it, we mess up. Nah, it's not gonna be like that. But really, it is really good. So to be honest, if you wanna make it, go ahead and check out my website and all that good stuff right there. And so if you wanna be really nice, if you wanna be really nice, go ahead and like, share, comment, all that good stuff, and don't forget to subscribe. And when you subscribe, you get, see the next videos coming up. So y'all, I'm gonna finish whatever cookies I want to eat. So y'all have a blessed day, y'all. Peace.
Level 3, watching like all of my enemies. People, they act like they friends with me. Please don't be wasting your energy. Nobody's stopping the vision. In present time, I'm feeling gifted. I'm still shooting if I missed. Taking time, it ain't no limit. Running back in the game. Bron James with the hang. I'm for the fam, not the fame. Never training for the change. Level 3, boy, I'm